It so good one. Okay, but it's very easy to be very honest. Okay, it all comes down to the kind of offer that you have. Okay, so generally, okay, so this is how restaurant works. Okay, they have Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay, Friday, then again Saturday. I'll just vomit this one. Okay, first I'll vomit Saturday from here. I'll put the Saturday over here. Okay, the biggest drop is on this one. Okay, generally. Okay, so what you need to do over here is make this the most profitable or the most footfall. If you are able to do it, okay, they will come back to you and they'll be like, take all our marketing and please do it. If you're able to create an impact on a business where they are struggling the most, they will treat you as a messiah. And I'm not even kidding about it. I have seen people, worshipping a few marketing agents just because they knew exactly where to, dedicate their efforts. So just ask them, when do you see the lowest footfall? Lowest footfall. Okay, Gurkeerat?
Yes, yes, I'm listening. I'm taking the
Okay,
notes side by side.
okay. Then create an offer which is the one they can afford the most. Okay, 1+1 or anything like that. Okay, can you do those?
Yeah, I can do that. Like I
Okay,
can
now,
make them offer and have the
yeah,
interaction with them.
yeah. Then what would you do from their page? Okay, create an Instagram post. Okay, that would be, this is the new restaurant that has opened up. Okay, and then just show the aesthetics and all the b-rolls of that particular restaurant, and just have a commentary in the background. Okay, this is the really good, like, you must have seen not seen you must have seen a lot of reels where people are doing a commentary on a restaurant. They have a beautiful scenic view and they're doing it. Okay, this is the most awesome restaurant, and this is just opened. Over here you can come with a couple and everything, and you can, and they are currently running an offer on Tuesday where you will get where you'll get 1+1, or 50% discount on the meal. So if you want, okay, what you can do is comment any word, okay, discount or whatever word it is, or the name of the restaurant, even better. Okay, the first name of the restaurant. If it's Red Fort, then just write comment red in the comment box, and we'll send you the voucher. Okay, of the same. Does that make sense?
Yes,
Because
it makes a lot of sense.
now,
But here,
there's a catch. As soon as they comment over here, you need to either do it manually, okay, or you need to attach ManyChat over here. ManyChat costs them $15 per month. Okay, so that's what they need to agree with, $15. If they are very chindi, they'll be like, nah, $15 is way too much. Okay, but you need to you need to get them to invest this $15. As soon as they do so, they will receive a link, okay, from where they will be able to see the voucher and apply or something like that, if they have a backend process. If they don't, then just send them a voucher, okay, that is only specific to you, okay, and they will have it, and then tell them to reclaim it. Okay, does this make sense? Also, one more thing which you can do is, in the ManyChat, you can ask them to give you the email address, so that you start getting a list of all the people who have the email address. And then what you can do is, in that locality, okay, on the audience that is a lookalike of all the people who have purchased or have done or have gone into that particular restaurant, okay, create a lookalike of that one and just run it on it. And what would be the objective over here? The objective would be two. One would be engagement, so you will run one on engagement, and the other one that you will run on is just uh, video view awareness. Okay, so you'll be running two campaigns, one on engagement and one on awareness.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here, okay? We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.